Your background, it's important. Welcome to Savvy Skills for Speakers, with a tip every Tuesday to help you fine-tune your virtual professionalism on the video platform. Hi, I'm Amanda May Gray. Your background can add to your presentation or completely take it away. If there's a lot of mess going on, a lot of distractions behind you, the viewer is paying attention to that and then off on some train of thought about what on earth it is and not hearing your words. For your standard Zoom meetings, a bookshelf is a great choice. It makes the setting look like a professional setting, but keep in mind to keep it clean and organized. Add some depth and height, and check out Pinterest for some ideas. That's where I went to look it up. That's how I ended up with my own background in a color coordination. And check this one out. I did this background for my man. It's color coordinated, it has some depth, but it doesn't have too much going on. When you are getting a paid presentation, the best thing to do though is to stand in front of a plain blank wall with nothing else in the shot. You can see here that I did a commercial for my own Toastmasters club in front of a plain wall, and it kept the focus on me and what I was saying rather than all the stuff going on behind me. If you do need to use a virtual background, again, it needs to be simple and not something everybody else is using. Keep it in proportion with yourself. We'll try to do a video on that, hopefully next week, so we can go into some more depth. That's our tip this week. Have your background clean, simple, and less is more. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments below what you think, any questions you might have about your backgrounds, and we'll see you next time on Savvy Skills for Speakers.